The objective of this background lesson is to understand measurement conversions for 4th grade. In 3rd grade, students were introduced to time conversions from hours to minutes, and they have measured items in metric units of kilograms, grams, liters, centimeters, and meters. Milliliters will be new to students this year. Standard units for yards, feet, and inches have also been introduced and used for measuring. In this chapter, 4th grade students will extend their understanding of the relationships between these units by finding measurement equivalences within the system of measurements. Strategies to convert larger units to smaller units will be the focus in 4th grade by creating tables. Mastery for conversions is not the focus. However, by the end of 4th grade, students should have sufficient exposure to the conversions to no longer need a conversion chart. Conversion of mixed units within the base 10 system was first taught in kindergarten, when students were introduced to place value. Chapter 8 will build on the conversion of base 10 units to metric and standard unit measurements. One strategy for converting larger units to smaller units that students have learned is to create a table or conversion chart to support their knowledge of multiplication. The idea of multiplicative comparisons taught previously in the year will also be used to describe the relationship between the larger and smaller units. In this table, we can see that 1 foot is 12 times as long as 1 inch. In 4th grade, students only convert larger units to smaller units. Students will work with the standard unit of measurement as well as the metric unit for measurement. When working with the metric units, students will have the opportunity to make connections between place value and metric units. Let's use the knowledge of place value to convert 1 meter to centimeters. If 1 meter is here, then we will move over 2 place value spots to centimeter. To show the move, zeros will be used as placeholders to show that 1 meter moved over 2 spots and is equal to 100 centimeters. Although this chart does include a variety of metric units, they are not intended to be mastered. In this chapter, students will understand measurement conversions for 4th grade. Students will continue conversions in 5th grade, so a deep understanding of the relationships within units is required rather than a mastery of specific conversions.